Yep, yep. Well, I'm at a car show here today, and basically I'm just going to shut up and have a look. Now, it's a bit deceptive, but I'm just going to go through the line. Basically, oh yeah, ignore this bit. But if you go along, well, oh, our resident fire engine's on call. Usually have a fire engine here, basically, in case any of the cars spontaneously combust. Let's go around. Again, there's just loads of people getting in the way, but oh well. Also, I'm not the only Cadillac. And there's a right mixture. Mine. Yeah, so I've already had another fellow YouTuber walk with me. Let's have a look around. Again. Oh yeah, there's also a walk. In it. As you come here, there's always a row of Mustangs. And we've got some varied years too. Some pooches. Oh. A few old Jags too, of various ages. Ooh, Chevy truck. Chevy truck. There we go. Now, for the Americans, that's a Jag. Some rage to that caddy over there. Well, and the rain keeps on coming and going too. But it's not heavy. Got a couple of rat rods too. Old Ford buckets and Grinch. Staying up. Bitch dust. There we go. Oh yeah, I think I need to talk over the music. Old 442. That's a lovely sounding car. When it goes. See, neighbours in the show. There we go. There's stalls here too. We've got charity drives here as well. Varied collection. Varied vehicles. Model part. Models, car parts. Don't need a badge. Bloodmobiles. Tea. Can't go wrong with tea. Forged Irish Stout. Basically, oh yeah, tin plate signs. So I always get tin plate signs, and everyone's been, everyone's a bit, buried in rain. And we've got local brave boys, basically. Representing too. I mean, yeah, it is raining, but it ain't terrible. Although I may have to run back to the car pretty soon. Oh no, he's got his top down. You also got vintage bikes too. VW. Now I'm trying to convince my nephew to try and be interested in a cafe racer. Well, that one, that's about that gent there. Perhaps Norton. Basically, but no, he's into his peds. And here's the luxuries. Bentley, Rolls Royce, Bentley, and some really old ones. What's this one? Bean. Can't say I've heard of that one. 1926 Bean, there's a 14-foot commercial. There's another one. You don't see no, you come to car shows, you don't see many brass. Say brass equipped cars. I mean, look up. How's that for a simple gauge cluster? What have we got here? Amperes? Oh, this one's a bit more extensive. Yeah. Oh, blimey, left your key there, mate. Christ. What's it? Hang on. I thought these would be wood. 90s. That is surprisingly clean. I'm going to say, Vauxhall Nova, for anyone who was wondering. Mini, very, very clean Mini. My brother wants one of these, an older one. It's Jags. Oh my God, there's even more. I didn't spot this bit. Christ. God, there's more. There's more I've got to see. Right. Again, mixtures. early 2000s Mazdas, Rovers. Last Rover we used to get. And my brother wants to get me one of these. And you know what? I think he's got the right idea. Even more Rovers down here. Now that one is a P3. My first choice, classic car I was going to go for was a P2, the one before that. MGs. And that's basically, I've got off-roaders too. Aha, I'm not the only rat rod. So is it yours? Your mum's? At least I'm not the only rat rod here. Mine's the old caddy. Mine's the caddy police car. Yeah. Bloody Nora. This is a bit more intensive than mine. No, I just make mine to look a bit. No, I just make mine to look like crap myself. But I love those door panels.
Homemade.
Definitely homemade. But love the style of them.
She's made most of things. She made that headlinings, curtain.
The headliner?
Headlinings made out of curtains. I made the speed out.
I'm guessing that's a clock. Yeah.
Well, it's a clock. Well, it's calibrated, so one o'clock is 10 mile an hour, 20 mile an hour, 30 mile an hour, 40 mile an hour.
That's one way to do it. And you've done the similar thing I did. USB chargers as well.
Oh, I think you've got to put them in everything, don't you, nowadays?
Personally, I did the one I did mine. It actually had a kind of like a. Had a redundant control system in mind, so basically, so I hollowed out that basically, and wired it in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Customised dashboard. Steering wheel. All sorts of little bits like the chains for the handles. There's that many little
details,
you forget. People say, "Oh, what have you done to it? What are the modifications?" And you list them off, and then you think, "Oh, there's loads more that I haven't even thought about."
Basically all the stuff made out of checker plate as well.
Yeah.
You've done the door pulls as well, haven't you?
Yeah.
Grab handles. You've got some visors. Hang on, tin plate signs as well. But they are, yeah, tin plate signs. Ratfink. I'll be putting this one on my list for best in show.
Thank you.
Blimey.
It's unique.
Hang on, semaphores?
Well,
No.
there were.
There were.
We converted it.
Yeah.
These are off an A35. They were the genuine blanking plates off 35 when they changed them to indicators. So when we bought the vehicle, it had semaphores on it, but modern drivers no idea what they are. So you put the semaphore on it, it'd flick out, they'd just come round you anyway. We put motorcycle indicators on.
That's what I did with mine. Watch yourself. Yeah, I mean that's what I did with mine, especially I say MOT guys basically, because I say mine's the caddy police car up there, and MOT guys. God, God, they make things fucking difficult.
Yeah. If it's American, of course you'd have your clutch discretion, wouldn't you?
No, and plus as well. No, the MOT guy I took it with, took it to when I first got it. Basically, marked it as as a fault because he couldn't find half the stuff on it. Yeah, I said switch. Where is it? Sir, does it work? Oh, okay. I say, where's your handbrake? It hasn't got one. I say, it needs a handbrake. No, it's a foot brake. It's a clutch pedal. Yeah. Oh yeah, the clutch. Clutch not working. I say, even though it's an automatic. Well, hence why I used to take it to a Hookers. Yeah, I say, a guy who actually specialised in American cars. Unfortunately, he's moved to Leeds.
You need people like that.
Yeah, I know.
There needs to be more specialist guys that know what they're talking about, especially where classics or imports are.
Personally, myself, I take it to a place called Ray's Autos. Say Ray's Autos now. He does a good job. Yeah, actually, I taught him what to look for in American cars, so he gets their business now. I'm not sure what he would make of this though, but he's a bit of a quick. Well, that's clever. Little detail. Stop it. Simple solutions, isn't it? Bloody hell, wind's fucking picking up, isn't it? Well, yeah. I see the clouds over there.
Well, depends which way.
Yeah. I can see the haze over there.
Hopefully we won't get too bad.
Yeah. Storm Floris, is it? Is it Floris?
Yeah.
I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna make my YouTube vid before I go around. You take it easy, eh? Again, lovely. Days. Loads of ideas. And as usual, there's just loads of little details. Oh, big Ford V8. Ooh. 47? Even with a crank handle. Very nice. There we go. More Fords. Oh, you're stuck in there, mate. Beamer's got marks. You alright? You alright? Nope. Oh, they got best in show last year. Wow. Leather bodied. Riley. For sale? Hey? Hey, how much? $3,000. I can say leather covered body. Yeah. 7. I've only got $1,500 on me at the moment. Hey? Oh. No.
That's why it's just $3,000 in the bottom there.
Oh.
What engine's in it? Right, it's right. I've never seen one like this before, is it?
Yeah.
The back half made up, is it?
Yeah, sold it to the 14 in
Oh. It's a shame. Oh. Oh, mommy.
I think it's a Riley engine, isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah, right, well, yeah, that's quick camp.
Two-part doors?
Yeah.
Same.
They were quite modern with their engines, Riley.
Yeah. Now, my granddad used to have one of these. It's a HOF93. Hang on, here we go. This is what my granddad had. Daisy. 90s Patrick Shaver Merc. More in here. We've got Lincoln MG Owners Club. Blimey, there's a lot more. Hey, oh, hang on. I think I know the owner of this one. He used to live around the corner from me. Is it the same one? See if it's repainted. There's a couple of Nashes here. Oh yeah, there's the other Nash over there. There's loads of Rovers. Mainly because Rove over here is, well, it's a dead brand now. And these ones, these 75s, had the last to come in. There's a couple back here. Quattro. Janitor. Now my mum used to go up. When I say used to go to college in one of them. Maybe because one of her friends, her dad was rich, and so basically, he would hand her the keys to a E-Type Jag. She said hers was green. Minivan. Classic London black cab. There we go. Mobster's room. Oh, there we go. My mum used to have the Beetle in that colour. If my mother was here, she would shed a tear. She really would. Hers was an L Reg. Obviously, you're lucky my mother isn't here. She would start crying.
Oh, right.
Yeah. She had one of these, same colour. She absolutely loved it, but my dad nicked it. And he scrapped it.
Oh, my God.
Oh, I would be crying if I was your mother.
Oh, don't worry, he's dead now, so it doesn't matter.
She killed him, did she?
No, he had a stroke, but the thing is, I hadn't spoken to him since I was 12, but...
Oh, right.
Besides, he was an horrible man anyway. But as I said, my mother, if mother was here, she would cry. At the sight of that one, she really would. Again, she had one for years. And loved it. She's got secret passions for VW. So, by saying that though, she buys Peugeots.
Oh, well.
Yeah. Were you saying? Go on. Sorry.
So it's Wheeler half just arrived.
I was going to say, if my mother was here, she would start crying. Yeah, because she had one like this, an L Reg in the same colour. Yeah, well, and my father stole it and scrapped it. Yeah. Don't worry, he's dead now anyways. It was a git anyway, so... Yeah, but yeah, she would cry with the sight of that one, she really would. Oh, and a pooch. We've got modern, racers ones too. Now that's a bit of a, well, let's say, a strange one over here. But say Skoda Octavias. I say supposedly, I don't see the appeal of them as well. But I say supposedly they're very popular in the modding scene. He's got the right idea. You need a raincoat, don't you? Bloody hell, not history.
Fortunately, I ain't got one on my motorbike.
Oh, I see. Where's it? No? Been re-registered several times. Whew. To keep hopes, memories and ideas in your mind because they are important to you and bring pleasure. Cambridge Dictionary. And here is the car, that is cherished, from my father, especially remembered on Father's Day. I've got the exact same sentiment with my, grandfather's Honda, and I want to get it redone. I want to get back on the road. Oh, another one for sale. Oh, a Rover V8.
No, we're doing. We've got
Oh, sorry. £6,500. Bit out of my budget, but yes.
So, have you been in as a look round?
I am just going to. I'm going to go up that way because it's me.
Beach buggies. Old ones too. Ford Capri. I say, love the tagline because remember the tagline with the sales advert because you always wanted one. Bought this car in 1983, 3 years old, ran it, so 10 years, then garaged it until 2021, back on the road after light restoration, mostly original. So, a self-imposed barn find. Singer. Saab. Sadly another dead brand. What's it? I don't know why, but everyone always like these Volvos. For sale, the price. Somebody, £3,000. See, you do something, so do it. Right, and that is the list, supposedly. Now, I don't know about you, but I need the loo. So, that's it, ta for now.